Hello artistic witches, welcome back to my channel. Today we are painting a red vintage truck carrying a beautifully decorated Christmas tree which put us into the holiday spirit. Let's get started. Start with a light pencil sketch. Draw the back of a vintage truck in the center. Keep the sketch simple and clear to guide you. After painting a blue as a base, mix a bold red for the truck's body and fill it in, leaving a small areas for highlights and shadows using a darker red, especially under the truck bed and around the wheels. Use a black paint for tires, leaving a small white edges for shine or highlight it with the white paint later. Paint a details like bumper, lights and window edges with a grey. Add a subtle snow highlight along the roof and edges using a white gouache or a thick water paint. For snowy road, use a light grey wash and add faint blue streaks for the tire tracks. Add shadows beneath the trucks and tires for realism. Using a thin brush and black paint, create a tall trunk and delicate branches on either sides of the truck. Add lighter, faded trees in the background to give the scene more depth. Use a base layer of light green to paint the tree, then layer darker green for a depth. Add ornaments in red, yellow and blue, a tiny dots, and a bright red bow on the top for a festive touch. Lightly highlight the tree with a white paint to create a snowy effect. Finally, use white gouache to splatter falling snow over the entire scene. This brings everything to life. And we are done. This festive truck scene is perfect for holiday season. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, comment and subscribe for more. I love to see your version, so feel free to tag me if you recreate this. Happy painting. See you next time.